Well, good morning. It is Saturday, November 30th, 2024, 2 days after Thanksgiving, and it is 28 degrees here. Beautiful, however. And as you can see, we got some snow on Thanksgiving. Snowed all day, pretty much. So I figured I'd just do this short clip. And the firewood shed floor is covered. We only got about maybe 5-6 inches. And you can hear some of the birdies. No wind today, which is nice. And we're out on the deck. And bird feeders. I filled them up. I'm gonna need it today. So I figured I'd just do a short clip. The raised garden bed's got snow on it. On top of the soil. It's okay. It's supposed to be cold for like the whole next week. And Jakey's sniffing. Alright, this is just a short clip. Hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving. And Christmas is next, coming up, which should be nice. Maybe we'll have another white one. I wonder, the snow will be here for a while because it's going to be cold. So that's about that from New Hampshire. So hope everything's going well. God bless. And until next time.